Hey guys, Jeremy here, Twin City Elite Real Estate Group, coming to you with another video. We're going to chat a little bit about today about some DIY projects that would be some nice home improvements that you can do for the property that are going to be on a easy level, and then also could be a little bit more ambitious that you could be looking at doing. One of the first things I'm going to take a look at here is we're going to take a look, and if you see behind me the light fixture that's in this bathroom, one of the simple things that you could do is look at changing out the light fixtures. They kind of made their way over, and if you can see in the background here, they changed it out over the kitchen dining room table, gave a nice little upgrade and feature to the house itself. One of the other things that I noticed as I'm like walking through this house, going through it, is they actually have multiple different light bulbs that are in there. They have fluorescent LEDs, different colors that are in there. A nice little upgrade that you could do for the home is change all those fluorescents out to an LED light, find a style that you like, and then make sure that they're all the same color that as well. A few other simple upgrades that you could look at doing, and I'm going to point this one out here, is like we have our light switches, and then on the wall over there, if you notice, we have that yellow thermostat that's there. Changing out your thermostat, or sorry, changing out your smoke detector that you have that's all yellow there, change that out to a nice white color, and then also taking a look at like light switches, and then also taking a look at what you have going on in the kitchen. We'll use this one for example, a little bit difficult to see, but our outlets that we have there, some of the nice things that you can add into it are not only is if you change them out to a nice white color, you could also get them so that way they have the USB port chargers that are in there. So those are super little simple upgrades. Another nice thing that you could look at doing is in the kitchen, and then also in like your bathroom sink area, is changing out your faucets. That's a simple, easy project that'll give you a nice DIY home improvement. One of the other ones that I really like is upgrading your house to a smart home. You could look at changing out the thermostat to a Nest thermostat. You could put in the Ring doorbell, and then also look at a Chamberlain garage door opener that notifies you. It's a smart garage door opener that notifies you when it's been open, closed, and it also works with Amazon so your packages can get delivered into the house safe and secure. So for some more DIY upgrades and tips that are simple and easy to do, feel free to reach out.